Good afternoon. My name is Liana Dominguez.
And my name is Kirsten Reyes.
And we are Highbridge News.
Today we are looking at the issue of students and parents and the perspective on the public school education.
We have some students from the Highbridge Historians program asking parents questions about public education. Let's see what they ask.
What can we do to improve our school?
One of the things that we could do is make sure that our teachers are well prepared and that they get the professional development that they need.
One of the main things is definitely working together. Try and find a unity between not only school staffs, but also parents and also like educational city staffs as well. I think that's a big thing. Once that happens, then I think everything else is more of a easier transition.
Thank you for watching Highbridge News.
And we hope to see you next time.